welcome back to another tutorial of the song Nee Kavithaigalaa. It's another Tamil song which I've done fingerstyle, and then this is a tutorial, so enjoy. So hit that like button if you haven't, and then subscribe, and you'll get updated with quite a lot of cool ukulele content, especially if you're someone from Tamil Nadu or from Kerala. I got quite a lot of Malayalam songs for you. Yeah, let's dive into it. So the song which I'll be doing today is Nee Kavithaigalaa. It's a Tamil song which is quite trending, so I thought of covering it. It was a song request, and then from one subscriber. If you haven't watched the original video of the song, it's in the description below, or there's a tab somewhere here you can click on, and then you can access to it. It's played in the key of G major, and then the chords used is actually G, E minor, and C. I'll be giving tabs below, and then this is how you read it. So the ukulele, the standard tuning is G, C, E, A. So if it is going to be G, it's going to be 0, 2, 3, 2. 0, 2, 3, 2. If you look at E minor, it's going to be 0, 4, 3, 2. That's how you read tabs. Okay, so the main chords we'll be using here is G, E minor, and C. But the song has also a D in it, but we won't be using the chord here. There's a variation of the C which I'm going to use. The normal C is going to be 0, 0, 0, 3. I'm going to modify my C into 0, 0, 3, 3. 0, 0, 3, 3. I'll be using my ring finger to cover both strings, like this. Okay? So I'm going to play like this. Okay, so that is the chords. The strumming pattern is just down, up, up, down. You can hear how the song comes. Down, rest, up, up, down. Okay, so we'll be starting with the G chord. Down, up, up, down. Then your melody 0 on the A string. 0, 2, 3, 2, G. 0, 2, 8, 2, E minor. 0, 2, 0. Then you go to your second string, which is your E string. 3, C. Okay, the C which I use, remember, is the slight variation, which I'm going to cover the 2 strings on the 3rd fret. So it's, and then you hit the middle 2 strings. So it's supposed to sound like this. So that is the main melody of the song. So it sounds just like this. Twice. The next part is after the chorus. So we make a special chord. I can't remember the chord's name, but it's like it comes from the E minor chord. But then instead of the last string on the 2nd fret, we do the same chord shape but on the 5th fret. Okay, so it's supposed to look like this. You see this? Yeah, 5th fret, 3rd fret, and the 4th fret. So it's going to sound like this. It's an E minor with the finger on the 5th fret, down, one more on the A, and then use your thumb again on the 7th, and then slide to the 9th. Then bar the 2nd fret with your index finger, the whole thing, but your pinky on the 7th fret. Okay? And then let go. So it's supposed to sound like this. Okay, nice. So we go on the bar chord with the 7th fret on the A string. Then we bar chord. Then we go to the G. And then we play the melody on the A string. So let go, open. Then on the A string, 2nd fret again. Then you go on the E string but holding the G. So it sounds like. Then we go to the E minor. Okay, we play on the A string, which is open, 2, 5, 2, open, 2, and then on the E string, on the 3rd fret. Then we play the C chord. Remember the same old variation, which is covering the E string and the A string. Okay, so after your C, next chord we'll be doing is a G, but we don't play on the A string. So it's just with your thumb on the top 3 strings. 1, 2, then with 4th with a delay. So it's 1, 2, 3, hit the A string, then lift your middle finger from the G chord. That means the A string will be open. Repeat the same thing. Next chord will be E minor. The same, we don't play the last string, then the last string, then open. Then after that we'll be doing the sliding from the 3rd fret to the 5th fret on the A string, the last string. So 3rd fret to the A fret. 3 to 5, 3, 2, and then from the 2 we add another finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, and then we strum. And then repeat the same thing. We repeat the same thing. Open 3 strings. E minor, but the 3 strings. Then on the A string. Then repeat with the Nee Kavithaigalaa, the part. That's how it goes, and then just end off with a G, normal G. And that's the tutorial for this video. And then follow my Instagram channel, which is given in the link below. I accept song requests. This was a video from a subscriber which have requested. So yeah, keep up. Thanks and have a good day.